welcome to the Blue Bike Noise channel as we stop by Barbie Beach up here. So we almost at a roundabout of death. Go ahead and run that intro. We'll get right to it. Alright, here we go. These people are already panicking. Oh Lord, they just slamming on the brakes and don't know what to do. He done run off the road. Oh, we got a camper on this side. That white car up there, he does not know how to drive. He's playing on his phone. There goes the camper. Alright, go. Why are you stopping? Hey, it's a full roundabout. You ain't gotta stop. Jesus. Told you that car didn't know what to do. Somebody lost the mud flap. Well, anyway, here Barbie Beach. GoPro start recording. Show down and see it. Turn my blinker on so I don't get rear-ended. Yep, they still the same thing. Look like they're doing off-roading stuff. I have no idea. Jeepster weekend? I don't know. But we're gonna pull up in here. There goes squirrel. Squirrel. There's one in front of me. Oh. They made this road a little bumpier. Yep. Alright, GoPro stop recording. So here we are at Barbie Beach. I need to paint the pink poster. Their sign's falling down. Park. It says park, but it needs to be wrote in black. It's painted black with red mark or paint. It says park. You can't see it. So they doing off-road stuff down here today. So let's check it out. If I got any off-road music. But look like they added more sand and the Barbies in their little Jeepsters. Alright. We doing hill stuff. Wee. Well, there you have it. I know I didn't take my helmet off. We're in a hurry today. But I am on bike. Well, I'm just going to jump on the bike and keep on going. So, hope you enjoyed the little what is Barbie Beach. So, we'll see you in a few minutes when I get back on the bike. A few seconds. I think it's like 8 more miles down here in the snow. So, I hope you enjoyed Barbie Beach. Probably can't get out here. Not in no hurry, I don't guess. Hey, come on, car. Come on, chameleon. mud off my tires. Ooh, look, a motorcycle friend. How you doing, motorcycle friends? They waved. Road glide and ST. Lowrider ST. Well, you wave? Yep, you wave. So about 4 out of 5 people raved today. Anyway, I'm gonna wave goodbye to you. I guess they're having some kind of, this place is a outdoor venue for skinnies, something. I don't know. Alright, well, anyway, I'm waving bye to you. Go check out that video there, that one there. Hit the subscribe button over here and give me a thumbs up, and we'll catch you on the next adventure.